Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through some common dock maintenance for the Ecovacs. This is their X9 Pro Omni. If you're interested in the X9 or you want to find out more about it, the link to this will be in the video description. So first things first, we'll start at the very top of our station here. We got our clearly labeled clean and dirty water tanks, both of which are removable. And on the inside here, keep an eye for any water that might settle that you can wipe down. And make sure these three holes are free from any clogs or obstructions. Moving on to the water tanks, we have our dirty water tank here. Highly recommend keeping up on your maintenance and cleaning of this after every use would be ideal. If you also want to put a little bit of mouthwash in here, that'll help prevent any odor buildup of the dirty water. And why you want to rinse it out is not only the odor, but also as the dirt in the water will start to settle at the bottom, you just want to get that cleaned up. And then bonus, every once in a while, if you want, you could clean out the clean water tank just to give it a nice thorough clean. But that would be something you have to do like monthly or quarterly. It'd just be up to you as you kind of think about it. You might want to do that just to make sure it's as fresh as possible. But the dirty water tank, you want to stay up on that just about every clean. Moving along down towards the center of the unit with the Ecovacs logo and branding, we can pop out this cover. That's going to reveal our solution tank here. So not much to do here, but you can rinse that out as needed. And you can wipe down in there if you want. And then for the vacuum bag, just remove and replace as needed. When you have the vacuum bag removed, there is a filter in here. So you kind of lift up on it and then it slides out. We can pop this foam off and rinse it out, clean it, and then we can gently put all that back in place. And keep an eye on the vacuum channel right here. You can put your finger down in there and feel around for any debris or dirt in that channel, making sure it's free from any clogs. And at the very bottom of the station, keep an eye on the charging contacts, make sure they're clean. You can wipe down our sensor there. We have a removable tray that's very easy to wash and rinse. And then you can put it right back in. You can wipe down in there before you put it in, but it just pops right back in, just like so. And don't forget, this bottom piece is removable too. If there's any dirt or debris built up on there, you can easily pop that off, rinse it out, put it right back on. So that's it. There's not much to it to take care of your Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni station.